Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts! Today we're exploring the wonderful world of community gardening. Whether you want to join an existing community garden or start your own, we've got all the tips you need to get started. Let's dive in. Community gardens offer a wealth of benefits. They provide fresh, local produce, create green spaces, and foster a sense of community. Plus, they offer a great way to learn new gardening skills and share knowledge with others. Looking to join a community garden? Here's how to find one in your area. First, search online. Use websites like the American Community Gardening Association or local gardening groups to find nearby community gardens. Second, visit local gardens. Take a walk or drive around your neighborhood to locate community gardens. They often have signs with contact information. Third, ask around. Talk to neighbors, local garden centers, or community centers. They might know about community gardening projects in your area. Want to start your own community garden? Follow these steps to get started. First, gather a group. Find a group of like-minded individuals who are interested in starting a garden. The more people involved, the easier it will be to share responsibilities. Next, choose a site. Look for a suitable piece of land. It could be a vacant lot, a section of a park, or even someone's backyard. Make sure you have permission from the landowner. Then, plan the garden. Decide what you want to grow, design the garden layout, and determine what materials you'll need. Consider factors like sunlight, water access, and soil quality. After that, organize resources. Seek donations of seeds, tools, and other materials from local businesses, gardening groups, or government programs. Fundraising events can also help gather the necessary resources. Finally, set ground rules. Establish guidelines for garden maintenance, plot assignments, and communal responsibilities. Clear rules help ensure the garden runs smoothly. Once your garden is up and running, it's important to keep the community engaged. Host regular meetings, workshops, and social events to maintain enthusiasm and involvement. Encourage members to share their knowledge and celebrate the garden's successes together. Community gardening is a fantastic way to grow fresh produce, beautify your neighborhood, and build strong connections with others. Whether you join an existing garden or start your own, you'll be contributing to a greener, healthier community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!